Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. Today, I will show you how to recover TikTok account without phone number and email. Make sure to subscribe to fix it for more tutorials. So the first step is to open up your internet browser, so let's just type in TikTok feedback in the search bar and then select the first search result. Then we'll be sent to a screen that says share your feedback. All right, and the first thing I am going to do is enter an email address, which clearly won't be the email address connected with my TikTok account because I simply don't have access to that email address. However, it should be an email address that I have access to and can check later. So once you've typed in your email address, then you can enter the username of the TikTok account that you're attempting to recover. I'm simply going to put a random TikTok username, but you should type your exact TikTok username. So under topic, we're simply going to select general account inquiry, and under a tell us more, I'm going to select login issue and afterward right there. Under how can we help, you literally need to describe your problem. Now I type something like this.